back to another vlog by Rochielin. As you can see, today I'm driving. I'm actually driving to go do something very, very exciting. I'm on my way now to go to a spa. So I'm gonna be going to this spa called Emerald's Gifted Hand. It's here in Kingston, Jamaica, and this is courtesy of Gustazos Jamaica. At the spa, I'm gonna be getting a body scrub, a body massage, a facial, and a complimentary glass of wine, which I'm so looking forward to. It's Friday afternoon, and you know the stress of work and the stress of the week upon me. So I'm definitely so excited that I'm gonna be getting this right now. And as I said before, it's courtesy of Gustazos Jamaica. For those of you that don't know what it is a similar platform to what's in the US. It's similar to Groupon. It's an online platform that has deals that are rotated daily or weekly for different activities and different events and different experiences offered in Jamaica. So they have deals on hotels, deals on spa services, deals on excursions, etc. So now I'm getting a deal on a spa service at Emerald Gifted Hands. So I'm actually a little late, so I'm gonna run inside now and get the service and take you guys on the journey. I'll tell you some more when I get back.
Tell the people a little something real quick. 1, 2, 3. I love that woman. She cannot shallow. She independent. Mercy and lago.
Hey guys, I'm here at Emerald's Gifted Hands Spa, and I'm here with Tamika. And I'm about to get a service done, and this spa is owned and operated by a blind person, which I think is so amazing, right Tamika?
Yes, it is. My name is Tamika Carruthers, and I'm the owner of Emerald Gifted Hands Spa, founder. We are around for 7 years now, just at this location almost a year, and we're doing extremely well. Thank God for Gustazos.
Yeah.
That has been spreading the news for us. Yes. And we just want to say no sight, no problem, right? So we're asking persons to just follow us on Instagram, and you know, we're the first blind persons in the world to own our own spa, so that is another plus for us, and we're here in Jamaica.
And that's just amazing. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Gustazos Jamaica. And I'm so happy to even just learn about what they're about and to learn about who the people here are. Like you guys, I am over the moon, Tamika. I'm ready.
Okay, ready.
Alright.
So you're getting your coconut and coffee body scrub like right now. So what you're going to do for me is to change out of everything, and then lie in the bed, head that way, feet this way, lie in the back.
Yeah.
Just tell me when you're ready.
Yes, I will. You guys know who about to be really clean, right? Coffee, coconut, and honey body scrub. Oh God, this feels so good. Oh wow. No, but I needed this. I needed this. Gustazos, thank you guys. Thank you. This smells so good. So you say you guys have been around for about 7 years now?
We have been mobile.
Oh, so you'd go to people's houses and
Still mobile. Person call us.
oh yeah?
Go to them, go to offices.
That's good.
Days.
Okay, that's actually amazing. Right now this feels so good. I'm gonna start doing the massage. This is just the body scrub, and I already feel good. No, our hands really gifted for true. And I said this particular Gustazos package is sold out, eh?
Yes, 100.
Wow.
Sold out before the 10 days was up.
Wow. And do you have another package on the Gustazos website?
I have 2 other packages, but it's finished now. The 10 days are up and we're sold out in everything.
Wow, that's amazing. And especially because Mother's Day is on Sunday too.
That is one of the reasons, but another reason is because persons love us. They love the service.
Well, of course, that is the main reason.
That is the main reason. And every time I put something on Gustazos, I try to put something new, something unusual that persons will gravitate to.
Yeah, because this was a really good deal for $6,500. You get a body scrub, a massage, a facial. And there's a complimentary wine as well, no?
Yeah, it's a glass of wine.
6,500. Where else you go and see that? No, man. Their prices are reasonable. And Gustazos is just an amazing website for things like that. Because what other website can you go on to find something like that? Nowhere.
Nowhere.
It just doesn't exist.
Coming out with new stuff. New stuff for August. Trust me.
Well, yeah, what are some of the new?
Check out our aloe wrap for the summer.
What kind of wrap?
Aloe wrap. The aloe vera wrap.
Oh, aloe.
Yes, to cool down the skin for the summer.
Oh my, that sounds good. That sounds good.
The aloe wrap and the avocado wrap to cool down the body. So we'll be scrubbing and wrapping.
That sounds good. Oh my.
Yeah, I got blind when I was 22.
Oh yeah, how?
From a wrong medication.
Oh no. So they were treating something else?
They were treating me for something I didn't have.
Oh, that's... Wow. Wow. And it's fully blind? Or
yes, I'm totally blind. Yeah. But I didn't give up.
Yeah.
The sky's the limit for me.
Yes, girl. Proud of you. That's an incredible story of how you turn around. Something that could have just... Something that could have made you go in another direction and drop in a dark place.
Yeah, a lot of persons said they would kill themselves.
Yeah.
Because I was studying to be a nurse now. I was at the LCU.
Wow. Because anybody could easily turn to a dark place, but you didn't let that stop you. You continued on your journey.
Giving up is too easy.
Yeah.
Too easy to give up. And now I am happy that I can employ other persons that are blind to build our independence in the blind community.
Yeah. I don't even have words for that. That is so good.
I just lay down and want to wash my hands. After washing my hands, then you can go to the shower.
No problem. Alright guys, I just finished doing the scrub and I am squeaky clean. It feels so good. It actually feels good. What you say it was honey, coconut?
Honey, coconut with coffee.
And that's supposed to exfoliate your skin, right?
Yes, what it does is remove the dead cells, clean the pores, hydrate the skin.
Okay. Well, I feel like it did that because right now, you know when you wash your face with like cake soap and you feel extra clean, even though that's not really the right way. This feel like extra squeaky clean. I like it. So I'm about to get this a massage time.
Yes, massage.
So you can determine if I have headaches from just my toes. Oh yeah?
Yeah, sinus.
I guess so, yeah. Headaches
that you're having is sinus headaches.
Oh yeah?
Especially in the morning. Let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll be back to check on you, okay?
So she put on a mud mask, but it burns so badly. I have to sit with this for 15 to 20 minutes.
For the skin, especially sensitive skin.
But my skin not usually that sensitive. I don't know why the mud burning me.
Alright, let me try a different wood type.
When I use the dirt.
Let me try this now.
She just had to remove the mud mask because it was burning around my mouth, my nose. So you showing us some mud and dig up outside?
No, it's processed mud.
Probably have some dog feces in there. Some kind of feces in there where burn me one.
This burning you?
No.
Right. This is avocado and grapefruit.
Alright guys, so I finished doing my service, and as I can see, my makeup is off now. I also did a facial, so you see I got my bumps extracted, so my face is a little swollen, but I know it will go down. This is usually how it is after the facial. So yeah, I'm done. Tamika, we're here again.
Yeah.
And
back from Hawaii.
it kind of feel like it, you know, because my body feel a lot more relaxed now, to be honest. And the scrub was actually really good. Like me feel clean, like clean. Like I never bathed before.
Yeah, that's the first experience I got when I just got a scrub.
Oh yeah? You feel extremely clean?
Yes.
So that's how I feel now. And then the massage was really good as well. And then I had some knots in my legs that you were trying to release, which you eventually did, and that was good too. So yeah, and then we moved on to the facial, which Rochelle did it. And that was good as well. She extracted some blackheads because I have many of them. I'm having a breakout right now, so it's not really nice for me on my face right now, but she extracted it. At first she had put on a mud mask, which I think my skin is very sensitive, so it didn't react well to it. It was burning, but then she changed it to avocado and mint. It was mint? Avocado and grapefruit, which was much better for my skin, so that went well. And then the extraction, so I just waiting for the bumps to disappear. But overall, to be honest, my experience is very good. It was very good. You guys really are gifted hands. I didn't get to feel Jason? Jerome. I didn't get to feel Jerome's hands, but next time. So I do appreciate the service, and I'm very happy I came, and I will be coming again, and I would be recommending people to come because I did really enjoy. So thank you guys.
You're welcome. Yeah. We just want persons to really just support us to the max. This is better than us being on the road or, you know, sitting at home doing nothing. We are being independent. Amen. You know, we're creating our own jobs.
Amen.
You know, and this is building the blind community.
Amen. Yes. I like that, you know. Don't make your hardships or your disabilities or your inabilities.
Yes, and people out there, what you should do is use your challenges as a stepping stone to move on.
Yes.
Just as Jerome and myself doing.
Jerome, come say hi. come give me a hi, Jerome. So this is Jerome, everyone.
Hey, everyone.
He also is an employee of Emerald Gifted Hands, and he also is blind, and he also is using his challenges as a stepping stone to do better in the world. And that's what we should all strive to do. And things like this make me genuinely happy, and I know your story will touch the hearts of many.
Yes, and we should be positive.
Yes,
we have too much negativity in Jamaica now that makes us stress. So being on a positive side, it's a great thing to do.
Yes. So thank you guys, and
thank you for having us.
Yes, and thank you Gustazos Jamaica. This was a very
big up to Gustazos. This 100 star to Gustazos.
Yeah, this
and if you come, you won't regret.
Certainly won't regret. Gustazos Jamaica, I appreciate you guys for reaching out to me. Thank you so much. This was a very good deal. It's a very good experience, and you know, I've been a long time client of yours. I'll continue to be one, and thank you. So guys, thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please to comment, like, and share. Let me know your thoughts below, and remember, come back every week, every day, every time. Bye. My complimentary glass of wine. What is this? Non-alcoholic wine.
You can't drink alcohol at a spa.
Really?
Yeah.
Never know.
Especially if you drink alcohol and go doing a massage, it's not healthy.
Oh. I didn't know that. Alright, thanks.